In this video, I want to talk about how you can share a link on Temu. Now, depending on what kind of link you want to share, I'll show you the different methods. So there are product links and there are referral links. So for the referral link, you want to search for Temu affiliate and just sign up for the program. It's only going to take 1 or 2 minutes. Once you're in there, you will have these special links that are referral, and you will have these special numbers. Now these numbers are unique to you, which means if someone uses your link, Temu will know that it's you who sent it, and then you'll get commissions. So simply click on the copy here for the affiliate links. If you want to share a product link, what you can do is just find any product. So let's just select this, whatever this is, this toilet thing, and there will be a little share button. Now this works on the phone as well, and what you want to do is come in here and then click on the chain here. This will copy the entire link, and then you can just share that one. So this is the way that you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.